This is the look I'm going to be creating today. I'm first starting out with the color With Love and applying that on the outer 2/3 of my lid, blending up above the crease, towards the brow bone. And then I'm turning my brush sideways and creating an angle at the same slope of my lower lash line upwards and connecting it with the rest to create a sideways triangle in the outer corner. And just softly buffing out the edges so there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm applying a little bit of that color on my lower lash line with the shader brush from the craft store. Going back with the previous brush to blend everything out. Applying a little bit more color. Again, bringing it about 2/3 of the way in. Blending it out. Next, within the mood, I'm applying that on the front third of the eye and sweeping into the pink. Doing so on the lower lash line as well, just feathering out the edges to have no harsh lines. Next, with the shade Hey Girl, I'm applying that in a V shape in the outer corner, following the upward slope of my lower lash line and just kind of feathering that onto the lid and lower lash line. Just roughly applying it. We're going to go ahead and blend it out afterwards. Next, I'm going in with the fluffy brush and sweeping over the color and using little circular motions on the edges. Doing so on the lower lash line as well. Next, I'm applying mascara as well as false lashes. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love it if you could subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.